so delicious. So delicious, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a strawberry smoothie. Okay, so before I go, remember to like, share and comment on my videos. Don't forget to tell me what it is you think I should make for you to try. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching and I look forward to your support always. Thank you so much. So let's dive right into the main video. So it's strawberry smoothie. So I have in this bowl some strawberry, some small ones, I have a ripe banana, I have some chia seed, pumpkin seed, some milk. You can use whatever you choose as juice, and I have some cube ice, and I have my bullets. So I'm gonna get started. First, I'm gonna add this banana to the bullet. So the strawberry, none of my fruits are frozen today, so I'm gonna use some of the ice. And you can see flaxseed. So guys, I'm gonna give it a little taste, a little sweet taste, because the milk is not sweet. So I'm gonna use this organic blue agave, yeah, agave, whatever it is. So just a little bit sweet. I'm gonna use some milk. Well, I'm gonna add the cube ice. I'm gonna add some milk, roughly half cup of milk, because the ice is gonna melt when I start blending, okay? And I don't want it too watery. I'm gonna cover, and then I'm gonna blend. And there you have it guys, all done. Nice strawberry smoothie, all done. So let me show you what it looks like. Yeah, strawberry. So let me glass it for you. Ooh. Ooh, all done. So let me taste this now guys for you also. So good. So good guys. So delicate, so good. I give it a little sweetness. Yes, so if you don't want the sweetness, you don't have to use any sweetener, or you can just blend it as it is. So I just feel like a little bit of push today, so I give it some agave. All right, so remember, a strawberry, banana, pumpkin seed, flax, chia seed, some milk, agave, and some cube ice, and whip up strawberry and banana, one banana, and my smoothie is ready. So go ahead and try this guys, you will love it. Okay, whether for breakfast, lunch or dinner. Okay, so remember to like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you so much. Thank you. So Leave me a comment, tell me what you think about this nice smoothie. Okay guys, thank you so much. Now we'll see you in my next video. Bye. So good.